So verbs you should know. These are take the regular case. So basteln, brauchen, dauern, decken, glauben, stimmen, üben, wandern. I would write this one down. We're going to come back to why this is crazy in a second. Wohnen, wünschen. I forgot to type this one. Warten. Yeah, warten, to wait. Lernen, machen, nähen, regnen, passen, meinen, I forgot. Write that in. Schmecken, schneien, spülen, staunen, schwenken, spielen, hoffen, hören. I'm just gonna grab here. Üben, lächeln, kosten, holen, kaufen, reisen. Put some stars next to that one. Sagen, sammeln, schaffen, schicken, schenken. Now, wandern and reisen, this is where we have a new kind of thing we have to watch out for. These take sein, all right, and not haben as their helping verb, okay? So sein is the helping verb on those. And that's because typically, right, as we'll see with more with the irregulars, verbs of movement or direction take sein instead of haben. So traveling from one place to another, hiking from one location to another. So if I wanted to say, I have traveled to Germany, instead of saying ich habe, I have to conjugate sein as my helping verb. And then I have to put my past participle of reisen, oops, my past participle at the end of the clause. So, take a minute to conjugate that. Ich bin, du bist, er, sie, es ist, wir sind, ihr seid, sie sind, ich bin nach Deutschland gereist, right? So that's our, ich bin nach Deutschland gereist. So wandern and reisen are two regular ones that take sein. Now there are some exceptions to the rule.